Someone get him to read the script. Read the script. Good night.
Brush in a circular motion.
Brush in a circular motion. Circular? I thought they were supposed to be like fluffed up.
Good night, Peggy.
Camel is unfortunately illiterate.
Oh yeah, unfortunately.
Squiggles. And then rubs in circular motions.
Read the script.
He makes squiggles and then rubs in circular motions. Is that like... I feel like you're trying to get me to do something weird with this shit. Like so you can get a clip or something.
It's a video BTW. Bound.
True.
Let the man paint,
yeah,
not a jerk-off tutorial.
Yeah, exactly, Guns. She's trying to get me to jack the paint, dude. I see right through this shit.
That's true.
I see right through this shit, dude.
Camel hate me again.
No, I love you too.
There's a video.
Bonk, bonk, bonk.
There's no video. Okay. Listen, dude.
I keep pretending to go.
Are these looking like clouds yet? I feel like random is holding back on me.
Why is there blue jizz in the fridge?
I tried my best to explain. Video of what?
But in reality I'm just trying to survive before I snooze. Fuck man, I've been on
I love you,
this
Cake.
for 2 hours. Taking a break. I made like 4 iterations and now my mind is blank.
Oh dude, my chat phone's almost dead.
It's fanfitty.
I gotta plug
You could have Pepe God reaching through the cloud from heaven like
Pepe
a
God, yo,
Renaissance
true.
painting.
A renaissance.
Lol, sorry.
What's the blue jizz in the fridge?
There's no blue jizz in the fridge,
Felt
dude.
nice.
There's no blue jizz in the fridge.
What's TMRW?
No, it is fanfitty.
Alright, homework is over. Frick it, man. That's my blue jizz.
Suzanne.
I really don't
Homework.
know how to paint clouds.
I don't believe you, random. I don't believe you.
I feel
I don't
like
believe
a
you right
different
now.
brush might be better.
I don't know. I was using a different one, and then people were telling me to use the fan. Also, how is the shit getting so hot?
Cake is such a jokester. You
Dude, I'm just trying to keep this shit warm, and it keeps on fucking bubbling up. Dude.
I left.
Those clouds look good.
I mean, they look alright, but they don't look. There's no structure to it. You know what I mean? They're just
swear.
like.
And now you are trying to stop Camel from cooking.
There's no structure. I guess it's fine if it's like that, but
Futurox. What even is this? The hi hello.
it's straight busting. That's what it is.
My dog's upset stomach.
Dude, that shit cooked my baking powder bottle.
You can put a butterfly in there.
I almost stuck this paintbrush into the pot of butterfly in the sky. Yeah, I'm gonna do the butterfly, but I wanted to get the